This is a video on reporting your simulation activity for credit. So when you do complete your simulation activities utilizing the Surgeon CPA review, you then go to the Cabrini Blackboard to report your activity, and you go to the week in which the activity was assigned. And again, I'm using the example week or weeks for the activity assigned. And you go down to the location, the link where it says submit your simulations or simulation number 91 activity report here. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on this link. Now this link's going to give me some of the information that's pertinent to the activity. The first thing is the due date for this activity is on Sunday, January the 1st, 2017 at 11:59 p.m. The total points possible for this activity is going to be 5.75 points, since we're only having one activity here. Now, as it says here, as noted in your syllabus and task list, select and complete simulation number 91 from the Surgeon AUD test bank. You must score 75% or better to earn credit for the completion of the simulation. Note that you can attempt the simulation multiple times until you achieve a score of 75% or better. Now, using your Surgeon progress report, that's the report from the Surgeon website, complete and submit the simulation activity report form here, and then it talks about the maximum point that could be, or maximum amount of points that can be earned for this set of practice set problems. In this case, it's one simulation times 5.75 points. Failure to submit your report when it's due may result in 20% reduction, basically, to total points. Now, in order to access my activity report, I'm going to click on the report link here right at the bottom of the instructions. And you can see my report's downloaded on the lower left-hand corner, so I'm going to bring that up. Okay, and now I'm going to edit the report. And in this case now, this is the information I have to supply in order to get credit for my grade for completing, in this case, simulation number 91. So I put in my name, and now I put in the data from simulation number 91. And what I'm going to do is bring that up from my simulation progress report on the Surgeon Kohler site. And there's a report where I question number 91, I achieved a score of 80%. So in this case, I'm going to put in the highest score I've achieved, which would be 80%. And I'm going to say in this case, it only took me one time to complete the report. Now if it takes you multiple times, put the number of times it took. It's for informational purposes only. In this case, I'm going to put one in. Okay, and then I can go ahead and based upon that, then I can enter any comments that I want to enter into it. And then I want to save my report to my computer. And in this case, I'm going to save it to my documents. Do my save. And now I can go ahead and close out that report. Now I can go back to my my upload assignment page here, and now I can submit my assignment report, which is now a file under my documents page. So in this case, I'm going to browse my computer, and I can see under documents here I have my simulation activity report, and I'm going to click on that. And now that's ready to attach. If I want to, I can add additional comments. And after that, then I can submit my report. Okay, once I submit my report, what's going to happen here is the copy of that report will appear here within Blackboard, and this is what you need to do to ensure that the report itself actually was accepted and posted within Blackboard. And this is a report that I will see when I'm grading your work on simulations. Again, in this case, I made those comments down here, the XCVBN. That was from the comments I'd previously made. You're going to get eventually what will happen is as I grade your work, you'll get a graded attempt and so forth. So anyhow, this represents the method for reporting your simulations. And again, remember, your reporting is done on in effect, a self-reporting basis. But please, again, keep in mind that I do receive similar reports from Surgent, which should basically correspond with the information you presented me. So with that, that is the end of our presentation on reporting of simulation activity. And again, thank you for your time.